Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that you all know, and I have also informed you that for the last 1 week, Amhara and the Afar region have become battlefield where the fight is on its peak and there are reports of hundreds of deaths due to this war. And now, according to the latest reports, we are receiving reports about Tigray Defense Force victories from Amhara and Afar region. Viewers, Tigray Defense Force side claims that after heavy war, Tigray Defense Force soldiers have gained full control over Vegaltina and surrounding areas where the war between Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force has been going on for the past week. And according to reports, heavy war is still going on the sides of Vegaltina. Now the situation in the Amhara region has changed completely. Tigray Defense Force soldiers are moving towards several more areas in Amhara region instead of Ethiopian National Defense Force towards the Tigray region. And according to Tigray Defense Force advance in Amhara region, it seems that now the main target of Tigray Defense Force is Dessie and Kombolcha because Tigray Defense Force has also claimed that Tigray Defense Force soldiers are moving towards Dessie and Kombolcha in Amhara region. Whereas Kombolcha is also located near Dessie. 2 days ago, Tigray Defense Force launched a heavy war from three sides in South Wollo and several areas in South Wollo now under the control of Tigray Defense Force according to today Tigray Defense Force claim. The situation in Kombolcha and Dessie is very critical at this time. Citizens have been alerted by the administration to get ready for their defense. Due to these activities in Kombolcha and Dessie, it is clear that Tigray Defense Force is moving rapidly towards Kombolcha and Dessie. I have already informed you that if Tigray Defense Force takes control over Dessie, the war situation in the Amhara region will change completely. According to reports, Tigray Defense Force soldiers were present in Fuji, Vichale, and Kon, and now rapidly moving towards the Dessie and Kombolcha. Viewers, the alliance made by the Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army against the Ethiopian army in this war can now raise the alarm for the Ethiopian National Defense Force. Because if Tigray Defense Force reaches in Kambolcha, Oromo Liberation Army and Tigray Defense Force will mingle and then fight against the Ethiopian army and its allies in a row, which is nothing less than a setback for the Ethiopian National Defense Force. Viewers, and that's why curfew has been imposed by the Kambolcha administration and citizens have been alerted to get ready for their defense. If Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army soldiers get together here, then the war will spread to more areas in Amhara region. Viewers, on the other hand, according to reports, heavy war between the Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force is going on in Zarima and Dibarak. Ethiopian National Defense Force sources claim that Ethiopian National Defense Force is winning against Tigray Defense Force in northern Gondar, and Tigray Defense Force soldiers are now retreating from these areas. But so far, no statement has been made by Tigray Defense Force about it. Viewers, on the other hand, the Afar region has also taken over the battlefield at this time. Heavy war is currently underway in several areas. According to reports, heavy war is currently underway in Aura. Heavy weapons are being used from both sides. Apart from this, many important reports are being received that the Afar Liberation Front, which is supporting Tigray Defense Force in this war, they attacked the Ethiopian army at Mile in Afar region and have gained control of Mile after heavy fighting. Viewers, it is a big victory because Mile is situated near the Ethiopia-Djibouti main road. On the other hand, a statement is issued by Tigray government spokesman Getachew Reda, in which he said that Abiy Ahmed's dream to capture Tigray and wipe out its people is all but over. His forces are crumbling like a house of cards. It remains to be seen if he can lie his way out of what we believe in a total defeat and miraculously hold on to his seat. So viewers, so far the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.